We don't need it. Okay, guys, we don't need it.
It's called a snake. I don't like snakes.
Yeah, we don't like snakes. We are now packed for our trip to Hershey, Pennsylvania. We're gonna go check out Hershey Park. We're gonna meet our cousins.
Anybody help here?
Oh, what do you need help with? Want me to open that door?
Yeah, because I'm stuck in here. Me too. I was stuck in here.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I couldn't get out this way. I was blocking my man.
Okay, you're okay.
Is that hilarious?
That's hilarious. And we're gonna meet our cousins. They live in DC, but we have some other cousins from Poland, so we're all gonna meet up there. And we're gonna go to the water park, and then they have the amusement park. I haven't been there in 20 years, probably since I was like 8 or 10. I have no idea. So it should be a good time. And but of course we are, as usual, overpacked because whenever we travel, we bring our cat for some reason, and he takes up so much more room. And
yeah, he takes all my bedroom.
He takes up.
And take all my sheets off of my bed. And take all my sheets off my legs.
Yeah, he takes all your sheets off your legs.
Yeah.
So we made it to our hotel just a little bit about like an hour ago. So we got unpacked, we got settled in. This place actually has a playground, which is why we got it. So it was pretty awesome. I mean, Ari and Kai are gonna love it. Ari had to see that first. It was the first thing she had to see. We tried to go swimming in the outside pool, but the water was so cold.
It's not warm over there, but
yeah. I mean, I feel the sun, but I mean, it's too cold. So we came to the inside pool, and it seems like no one's here, so we're gonna have fun and swim until our cousins get here. We're gonna try to have dinner together, see how that works out, and then see how the rest of the night goes. Nope, didn't win. Push the red button. What do you want me to make a video of? Oh, Kai, are you okay? Kai scraped herself.
Is it up here? Oh, it's great. Is it up here?
Not up there.
I see them down there. Go down. My name is Kyla. And I'm getting Ari.
All right, you guys going down? You going down the slide?
The monster cave. Oh, I don't know how to go down. The only chance you're going to go to you too. Go down. Listen, all the doors are going to be closed now. Thank you very much.
The next day.
Looks like on you. You gonna wear that one? You look just like Dad. Alright.
Smokey boy.
Tell Smokes bye.
Bye, Smokey boy.
Which one are you gonna go on the tallest roller coaster, Kai?
I can't.
Why not?
Look at.
Well, what if I just hold you?
I can.
One, fine. 1. Blast off! Is that what we say? Say blast off!
There was not.
Hey, are we having fun? Yeah, you hanging out with your cousins here at Hershey Park? Look, you want to check out the arcade?
Yeah.
You got one! Look, you got 2! You got one!
Yeah, this
Luke just won 250 tickets. We are heading for Chick-fil-A for lunch, right? Just got back from the arcade here at Hershey Park.
and I'm falling down on the orange.
Yeah. And you're gonna share with your cousins?
Moving.
What do you see, buddy?
There's an insect, but he's not moving.
You see an insect and he's not moving. Oh no, you think he died?
Yeah.
Yeah. Weirdo. We don't need, guys, we don't need
It's called the snake. I don't like snakes.
Yeah, we don't like snakes.
There's a chipmunk in there.
Yeah. Hi, Riley. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, is a chocolate bar man?
Yeah.
We're on a mission to find a stuffed chocolate bar man, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and he looks like what?
Yeah.
That guy right up there? That flag? Got it.
A few moments later.
Is that what you want, buddy? Let me see it. Can you show me what this park's like?